In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Calendly with ClickFunnels. By following this guide, you will successfully embed your Calendly calendar directly onto your ClickFunnels page, allowing visitors to book appointments seamlessly. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the scheduling section located in the main menu. This area contains all your scheduled meetings and events. After locating it, find the specific meeting that you would like to embed on your ClickFunnels page. Next, click on the three dots, which are also referred to as the More options next to the meeting. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Add to Website. This action will direct you to different embedding options for your Calendly link. Once you're on the embedding options page, choose Inline Embed. This selection allows your calendar to be displayed directly within the page layout. After that, click on the button that says Copy Code. This will copy your Calendly embed code to your clipboard, which you will need in the next steps. Now, open a new tab or window and log into your ClickFunnels account. After logging in, navigate to the funnel you wish to edit. Once you've opened your funnel, select the specific page where you want to add the booking feature. Click on Edit Page to enter the page editor environment. In the page editor, locate the option to Add Element. This button is usually found on the left sidebar. Click on it, and from the list of available elements, choose Custom JS/HTML. Drag this element onto the area of the page where you want the Calendly calendar to appear. Click on the HTML element you just added. A text box will open where you can enter your code. Paste the Calendly embed code that you copied earlier into this box. After pasting the code, make sure to click Save to store your changes. Finally, you will want to confirm your changes by clicking on the Save button again, which is usually located at the top right corner of the editor. After saving, click on Preview to see how your page looks with the embedded Calendly calendar. Your Calendly calendar should now appear directly within your funnel page, providing a seamless booking experience for your visitors.